provided by Intimi here on Amazon. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I honestly did like this wig, and I can't wait till y'all see how it turned out. I feel like it turned out very nice for it not to be a HD nor transparent wig. I think this was a medium brown lace Swiss lace wig. But anywho, without further ado, we finna get right into the video. I feel like things can get real repetitive, and y'all should know by now, like, my step to step. But I am showing y'all my ball cap method today, and I start off with some Eben hairspray. Then I'm gonna go in with some boho lace glue to lay down the cap some more as well. After that, I will blow dry it until it's dry. I did go in with LA Pro Girl concealer at first, but it was too light for her complexion, so I just put some Ruby Kiss cream foundation on top of it. Okay, so I did not show my layers. If you know by now, you should know that I always use 3 layers of whatever glue that I was using. And I believe that day I used boho adhesive. And all I did was put 3 layers, let it dry, then place the lace on top of it. Once I cut the lace, I did glue whatever pieces of the lace that did not stick. And sometimes if it didn't stick, you could just cut it off. But in this moment, I did want to keep the lace on because I feel like it looked right how it was. So all you see me doing is gluing down the rest of the lace on both sides that didn't stick.
What we do here is go back.
now with doing the baby hair, I didn't do anything different or change up anything. All I did was, of course, use my Amazon flat irons, the small ones, and then curled it. Then I did use Gorilla Snot to lay down the edges. Alright, babes, that will be the end of today's video. I am going to upload more pranks, more vlogs, things of that nature. But since I'm very busy, I just upload what I have, y'all. So y'all will see more of Yomi and the different aspects of Yomi. But if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.